Let's do the sine function. So the formula is sine A plus B equals sine A cosine B plus cosine A and sine B. So let us try. So sine 75 degrees. So sine, so 30 plus 45 equals 70. So the sine A is 30. Cosine B is 45. Plus cosine 30 and sine B is 45. So what is sine 30? So sine 30 equals 1/2 and square root of 2 over 2 plus this sine 45. So sine 45 is square root of 3 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. So 1 times 2 equals 2, square root of 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 3 times 2 equals 6, 2 plus 2 equals 4, square root of 6. So we can combine this to single fraction. So the final answer is radical of 2 plus radical of 6 over 4. So this is the final answer. So next, let us do the difference identity using sine function. So the formula here is sine A minus B equals sine A, cosine B minus cosine A, and sine B. So sine is 15 degrees. So 45 minus 30 is equals to 15. So sine 45 minus 30 to sine A is 45. So sine A is 45. So cosine B is 30. Minus cosine A is 45. Cosine A is 45. Then sine B is 30. Sine 30. So, what is sine 45? So, square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 3 over 2. Minus sine of 30 is square root of 2 over 2 and 1/2. So, 2 times 3 equals to 6. 2 times 2 equals to 4. Radical 6. Minus 2 times 1 equals to 2 over 2 times 2 equals to 4. So, the final answer is radical of 6 minus radical of 2 over 4. So, this is the difference identity using sine function of 15 degrees. Next is the difference identity using tangent function. So the formula here is tan minus b equals to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. So, let us try the tan pi over 12. So, let's do convert radians into degrees. So, pi over 12 times 180 degrees over pi. So, pi cancel. So, 180 is 18 times 10, 180 over 12, 6 times 2, 12. So, 18 times 10 is 6 times 3. So, 10, 5 times 2 is equal to 10 over 6 times 2. So, let's do cancel. 6 and 2. So, 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So, tan is equal to 15 degrees. So, tan 45 minus tan 30 over 1 plus tan A is 45, tan B is 30. So, equals to 1 minus tan 45 is the square root of 3 over 3 over 1 plus 1 times tan 30 is the square root 3 over 3. So, 1 minus square root of 3 over 3 divided by the 1 plus 1 times square root of 3 over 3 is a complex fraction. So, what should we do next? So, 1 minus square root of 3 over 3, if I divide 1 plus 1 times square root of 3 over 3. So, let's do put 3 here and multiply the top and the bottom. So, 3 times 1 is equal to 3 minus the square root of 3 over 3 times 1. So, let us remove this. Because 1 times square root of 3 over 3 is equal to square root of 3 over 3. So 3 minus square root of 3. So next, let's do put 3 here. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3 square root of 3 minus 3 and square root of 3 plus 3 over the same process. 3 times 3 equal to 9 plus 3. 3 times square root of 3 is 3 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3 minus 3. So, what should we do next? Let us cancel this. 3 square root of 3 cancel. Same here. us cancel this also. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So the denominator is 6 and the numerator is 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 minus 9 minus 3 is equals to 6 square root of 3. So next is, let's do put 12 over 6 minus 6 square root of 3 over 6. So the final answer is 2 minus square root of 3. So this is the final answer. So next is the sum identity using tangent function. So the formula here is cosine A plus B equals cosine A, cosine B minus sine A, and sine B. So cosine 7 pi over 12. So first, let us convert radians into degrees. So 7 pi over 12 times 180 degrees over pi. So let us cancel the pi, copy the 7. So we know that 18 times 10 is equal to 180 and 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So copy the 7. So 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So copy the denominator, which is 6 times 2. So let us do cancel the 6 and the number 2. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Copy the 5. So 21 times 5 is equal to 105. So it means that 7 pi over 12 is equal to 105 degrees. So let us solve next. So the problem is cosine 7 pi over 12 is equal to cosine 105 degrees. So cosine 60 plus 45. So is equal to cosine 60 cosine 45 minus sine 60 and sine 45. So what is cosine 60? 1/2. And cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2 minus sine 60 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. And sine 45 is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So equals to 1 times 2 is equal to 2 over 2 times 2 is equal to 4 minus, copy the sign here, 3 times 2 is equal to 6 over denominator 2 times 2, 4 square root of 6 square root of 2. So equals to radical of 2 minus radical of 6 over 4. So this is the final answer.